Let's open it. It turned out to be a door. To tell you the truth, the packaging is much more exquisite than before. Here is a watch strap. I opened it. Take a look inside. I don't want to remove it either. It should be a manual or something. There's no sticker for this watch. 5 pay 1 and charger, and then this is the watch. There is also a manual. Inside is a pair, a short one and a long one. You can take a look at the protective case, although it is now 40 millimeters. But the size is about 38 millimeters. That's the back. The back has been upgraded. It's really better than the old version. It's a lot more exquisite.